pulled anchor at 3 a.m. this morning. We left Kananga and we're heading to Moyo Island. I'm probably not saying that right, but we've made pretty good ground. We've been sitting on 8 knots and we've got 2 reefs in, so we're doing pretty well. The sun is rising. Woohoo! It's a beautiful morning. We should get in there nice and early. From here, Kananga, to Moyo. Alright, so it's 10 o'clock and we have anchored. It's pretty beautiful. We made awesome ground as well, like pretty stoked with our sail. I'm glad we got up early. There's a little farm here. I'm hoping they've got some fresh produce because we're running pretty low. Ollie's just diving on the anchor now. And there's a dive resort over there. But one of those seaplanes just landed, so I think it'll be out of our price range. But yeah, it's awesome. It's meant to be really, really good coral here, so we're gonna go for a dive and check it out. So I'm just sitting on the back of the boat and there's a heap of buffaloes on the beach. The one at the front is just like, it must be a young one. He's just running around having the time of his life. He's a happy buffalo. We decided to go check out the dive resort and see if we could afford lunch.
So a plane just rocked up.
I don't think we should be at this resort.
We just came to check the price of lunch.
Breakfast is $50 US per person.
Ooh, bit on.
So I don't think
we'll be eating out.
Off to go get our spearfishing gear, and then our local guy's going to take us spearing. Woohoo!
Spear! Spear? Bagus.
He's just speared a squid by the looks of it. Is that a squid?
Yeah, big octopus.
A big octopus.
Hey, so here we are, beneath the moon, the rising sun and stars. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new start to greet the world. It's just me and my guitar. When you feel alone, when you feel afraid, don't hesitate to call my name, 'cause I'll be there for you, 'cause I'll be there when you're feeling blue. Breathe and take it in. Breathe, take it in. Breathe and take it in. Breathe.
Got my first little dogtooth tuna spearfishing. Pretty stoked.
Dinner tonight. So I have to show you guys, I'm pretty stoked of how my bread turns out. I mixed wholemeal flour and white flour together and I just put a heap of seeds in there. We are very low on fresh produce, and we're going on a hike to some beautiful waterfalls in Moyo town. So we're just going to take some sandwiches with us, and I've made some bliss balls. The bliss balls are made from dates, which I blended up with lots of different types of nuts, raw cocoa, a maca powder, and some shredded coconut. And I just want to show you guys, I make my own all-purpose spray. It's a lot better for the environment and for me. It's really, really easy as well. So all it is, I've done, these are orange peels. I've topped it up with vinegar and I've left it in a dark cupboard for about 2 weeks. This is my reusable spray bottle. So I'll just tip in the liquid and top it up with water. And then with my essential oils, I like probably for more of a kind of refreshing smell, I'll add like a lemon, a couple of drops of a lemon essential oil. So yeah, that's just a really easy recipe. You can use lemon peels if you don't have oranges. With our friends on Sailing Catalpa, we head to town to explore some waterfalls. Alright, so we have finally got bikes and we can head up to the waterfall. Woohoo! We're up! How was that, mate? So we've come to an amazing waterfall in Sumbawa. It was a bit of a mission getting here. We had to take these motorbike scooters on a really gnarly track. That was pretty scary, but these waterfalls are definitely worth it. They're absolutely amazing. Wow, it's beautiful. It's so clear.
Whoa, that is awesome.
Wow.
Freezing though.
Stop being a pussy. Oh, this is amazing. Whoa! That's having my leg in a hole. Those leaves, that's a hole. Tree pose. Always doing yoga.
I feel pretty flexible as myself.
Wow.
Looking cool.
Aim's a big bubble.
Wow, that's sick. Made out of full log. Just sanded this big log. That's a tree and they just sanded it. Enjoy the waterfall, babe?
Yeah, it's really cool. Nice and refreshing.
Ready for the crazy motor ride back?
Extreme motorbike ride there. Not really.
It's a pretty gnarly track, eh? It's just like... Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe. You're probably wondering why I'm hanging out in the tree. We're just anchored over there and this is my little kind of chill out area. I like to go for morning swims here. So I just wanted to share with you guys. Also, I've sent Ollie to work, so he sends his love and is sorry he can't be here to personally thank you guys for watching. We want to thank our Patreons. Thank you guys so much for supporting us, and our newest Patreon, our Salty Legend Patreon, Gina. Thank you, honestly, we can't thank you enough. Thank you for becoming part of the Sailing on Paradise family. Just want to apologise, we've been pretty absent on the YouTubing lately. For good reasons. We're now anchored in the Mentawais and it's been my personal goal to get really good at surfing. So I've been surfing every day, every morning, and then I've started studying now. So I've been studying in the afternoons and just trying to wrap my head around study again. But I'm very keen and I've got some awesome content of our sailing travels ready to be uploaded. So I'm very excited to share them again with you guys and bring you guys on our sailing journey. I've got some exciting news. I'm going to be making separate videos. I might upload them fortnightly. They're just going to be short and sweet videos, maybe 5-minute videos of how I personally limit our waste living on a sailing boat. And the videos are pretty much going to be of me whipping up recipes in the kitchen, from cleaning products to skincare to raw desserts. I have been very inspired from our sailing journey. Obviously sailing for Indonesia you do see a lot of human waste and plastic in the ocean. This has really inspired me to live a plastic free lifestyle. So instead of me going to the shop because I love chocolate and buying chocolate wrapped in plastic, I'm making it myself. And yeah, I thought it was really cool to share this with you guys. guys and hopefully inspire you guys as well to live a plastic-free lifestyle, because it is so much fun. Once again, thank you guys for watching.